Hello students, hope all are safe and sound at home. You have seen so many shapes around you, isn't it? Do you know to find the perimeter and area of those figures? You have learned a part of it in your smaller grades, isn't it? So today, let's learn more about perimeter and area, and this is your chapter number 15. So this is the mind map for our video perimeter and area. So we would learn the perimeter of rectangle, which is 2 into L plus B, perimeter of square, which is 4 into sides, and we would learn the area of rectangle, which is L into B square units, area of square, which is A square units, area of parallelogram, which is breadth into height square units, area of triangle, which is half into base into height square units, area of circle, which is pi r square units, and the circumference of the circle, which is 2 into pi into r. Okay. First, let's learn about perimeter. Okay, perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its boundary. So here you can see a figure. Can you name this? No. But if you know the values of its boundary, then you can find the perimeter by adding all the sides. Here the boundary is A, B, C, D, E, F, A. So if you know the sides, you can easily find the perimeter of a figure. Next, let's learn the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, here you can see a rectangle. We have length and breadth. So this is the boundary of this rectangle. So the perimeter is L plus B plus L plus B. What is it? It is 2 into L plus B. So this is the perimeter of a rectangle. Next, let's learn the perimeter of a square. In a square, all 4 sides are equal, isn't it? So to find the perimeter, we should add all the sides. Since all the sides are equal, if one of the side is A, then it is A plus A plus A plus A. It is 4A. So perimeter of a square is 4 into A. Here I have a question. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle having length 36 centimeter and breadth 24 centimeter. If the same wire is used to make a square, what will be the length of each side of a square? So we have a wire, it is in the shape of rectangle, okay, and the length and breadth of the rectangle is given, and the same wire is again made into a square. And the question is to find the side of the square. Okay. So whatever is given is length 36 centimeter and breadth 24 centimeter. So we know the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times L plus B. So substitute the value of length and breadth in this formula. So we get 2 into 36 plus 24. 36 plus 24 is 60. 2 into 60 is 120 centimeter. So we got the perimeter of the rectangle. And it is given that the wire is used to make a square. That means we are not changing the wire. The same wire is used to make the square. That means the perimeter of rectangle and the perimeter of square should be equal. Okay. So the perimeter of square will be same as perimeter of rectangle, which is 120 centimeter. Perimeter of square we know it is 4 times the side, 4 into A. A is taken as the side of the square. So 4 into A is equal to 120 centimeter. A is equal to 120 by 4. Since 4 is here as multiplication, when we take to the other side, it comes as division. So 120 by 4 is equal to 30 centimeter. So we got the side of the square as 30 centimeter. Okay. Next, let's move on to area. The amount of region enclosed within a closed figure is called as area. So here you can see a closed figure and the region enclosed within this boundary is called as area. Okay. And the unit of area is square units. Okay. So in the case of rectangle, the area of rectangle is length into breadth. Length into breadth, square units. So if the unit is given as centimeter, then you should write the area's unit as square centimeter. If it is in meters, then it will be square meters. Similarly, for whatever is the length and breadth units are given, you should write the unit of area as square units. Okay. Next, let's see the area of a square. So in the case of square, as I already told, all 4 sides are equal. So the area of a square is a square, square units. Okay. Now let's see one question related to area. The question is, the length and breadth of a rectangular garden are 72 meter 30 centimeter and 45 meter 70 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of leveling the garden if the rate of leveling is rupees 2 per square meter. Okay. So here we have a garden. The length and breadth is given and the cost of leveling 1 meter square is given. So we should find the cost of leveling the garden completely. Okay. The length is 72 meter 30 centimeter. So we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So to convert this to meters, divide by 100. So we have 72.30 meters as length and breadth is 45 meter 70 centimeter. You can write it as 45.70 meters. So first let's find the area of rectangle. We know the area of rectangle is length into breadth. 72.30 into 45.70. So after multiplication we get it as 3304.11 meter square. So area of rectangle is 3304.11 meter square. So it is given that cost of leveling 1 meter square is rupees 2. So the cost of leveling 3304.11 meter square is rupees 2 into 3304.11. So after multiplication we get it as rupees 6608.22. So the cost of leveling the whole garden is 6608.22 rupees. Next let's learn the area of parallelogram. So here I have drawn a parallelogram ABCD. So a parallelogram is a figure in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. So I have dropped a perpendicular DE to AB. So this forms the height of the parallelogram, and this is the breadth. So, the area of parallelogram is B into H, breadth into height, square units. So, in order to find the area of parallelogram, we can use this formula. Now, let us see one question from area of parallelogram. Okay. Find the cost of polishing a parallelogram shaped table at rupees 18 per meter square. If the base and the corresponding altitude of the table are 4.2 meter and 2.5 meter respectively. Okay. So, the base and height is given. We should find the cost of polishing the table. Base is given as 4.2 meters, height is given as 2.5 meters. So, first we should find the area and then we should multiply with the cost of polishing 1 meter square. So, area of parallelogram is base into height, that is 4.2 into 2.5, which is 10.5 meter square. Here you see the unit is given as meters. So, the area's unit is 10.5 meter square or square meter, you can write it like square meters. And the cost of polishing 1 meter square is rupees 18. So, the cost of polishing 10.5 meter square is rupees 18 into 10.5, which is rupees 189. So, the cost of polishing the table is rupees 189. So, we learned the area of rectangle, square and parallelogram. Now, let us see the area of a triangle. Okay. We know that a triangle have 3 sides, isn't it? The area of a triangle is half into base into height square units. Here I have a question, find the area of the triangle. Okay. So, the base and height is given. So, when you take the height, do not take this PQ. Okay. The height should be straight. So, draw a perpendicular towards the base. Okay. So, in triangle PQR, the base is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So, the base RQ is 8 centimeter and height PS is 5 centimeter. We know the area of a triangle is half into base into height. So, it is 1 by 2 into 8 into 5. 8 into 5 is 40. So, 1 by 2 into 40 is 40 divided by 2, which is 20 centimeter square. Here we have the unit as centimeter. So, the area of triangle is 20 centimeter square. Next, let us move on to circle. You know that a circle is round in shape, isn't it? So, what all can we find in a circle? We have a center for a circle. Here the center of a circle is O and the line segment which passes through the center is called as diameter. Here AB is the diameter, and what about radius? It is half of the diameter. So, here OB and OA are the diameters of this circle. So, we have to know the radius, the diameter and the center for a circle. Next, let us see the circumference of a circle. Okay. The circumference is the boundary of the circle. So, circumference formula is 2 into pi into r. This is called as pi, and the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. So, if you know the radius or the diameter, you can find the circumference. If you get diameter in this question, then divide the diameter by 2, so you will get the radius, and after getting the radius you can find the circumference of a circle. Now let us see one question. Find the distance covered by a 7 centimeter long minute hand of a clock in an hour. Okay. So we have a clock and the length of minute hand of a clock is given as 7 centimeter. Okay. So this length is 7 centimeter. So this clock is in the shape of a circle, and this minute hand can be taken as the radius of the circle. So the radius is 7 centimeter, which is the length of the minute hand. Distance covered by the minute hand of a clock in 1 hour is equal to the circumference of the circle. So this minute hand, it moves in circular motion and it moves through the circumference of the circle. So the distance covered will be equal to circumference of the circle. So we know the formula for circumference of a circle, that is 2 into pi into r. We know the value of pi, which is 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, that is the radius. So we can cancel this 7. 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. So the distance covered by the minute hand of a clock in an hour is equal to 44 centimeter. We learned the circumference of a circle, isn't it? Now let us see the area of a circle. Okay? The region enclosed inside the circumference of a circle is called as area of a circle. We know this is the circumference, isn't it? So the region which is inside the circumference, this part is the area of a circle. We have a formula to find the area of a circle, which is pi r square units. We know the value of pi, it is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now let us see one question related to area of a circle. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.8 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 12 per meter square. And it is also given to take the value of pi as 3.14. Okay. So the diameter of the circular tabletop is given as 1.8 meter. So if the diameter is given, we can find the radius. If we get the radius, we can find the area of circular tabletop. So the radius is 1.8 divided by 2, which is 0.9 meter. And the area of circular tabletop, that means area of a circle, is pi r square. The value of pi is taken as 3.14 into 0.9 square. So the 0.9 square can be written as 0.9 into 0.9. So after multiplying, we will get it as 2.5434 meter square. So the area of circular tabletop is 2.5434 meter square. And it is also given that the cost of polishing 1 meter square is rupees 12. So we should find the cost of polishing 2.5434 meter square. For that, we should multiply this value with 12. Rupees 12 into 2.5434, we get it as rupees 30.52. So the cost of polishing the whole tabletop is rupees 30.52. So now let us see the area of semicircle and area between two concentric circle. For this we need to know the concept of area of circle. We already know that. So area of semicircle, that means half of the circle. If we have a circle then the half of it is called as the semicircle. So to find the area, we have a formula half into pi r square. If we have pi r square, we can find area of the whole circle. To find semicircle's area, it is half into pi r square square units. The area between two concentric circles. So here I have drawn two concentric circles, a bigger circle and inside one smaller circle. So the bigger circle's radius is capital R and the smaller circle's radius is small r. Okay. So the area between two concentric circle, between these, what is the area? How to find that? Using this formula, which is pi r square, that is bigger circle's area minus smaller circle's area. Pi r square minus pi r square. Here we have capital R, here small r. Now let's take pi outside. Pi is taken outside. So inside we can put r square minus r square square units. So the area between two concentric circles is pi into r square minus r square square units. In this video, we learned to find the perimeter of square and rectangle. We also learned the area of square, rectangle, triangle, parallelogram and circle. We learned the circumference of a circle also. So try to find out the area of things around you in these shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, etc. Okay. So take care. Bye.